What evidence is required to succeed in IP litigation? In the fast-paced world of intellectual property law, a pressing question arises. What evidence is required to succeed in intellectual property litigation? With recent cases capturing headlines, many individuals and businesses are eager to understand the requirements for proving their claims. Whether you are a business owner or an inventor, knowing what evidence you need can make a significant difference in your case. To succeed in intellectual property litigation, the type of evidence needed varies based on whether the case involves trademarks or patents. Generally, the party claiming infringement or invalidity must provide clear and convincing proof to support their assertions. In patent litigation, the plaintiff must demonstrate ownership of a valid patent. They must also show that the defendant infringed upon at least one claim of that patent. Key evidence in these cases includes patent documents that outline the scope of the claims. Additionally, technical expert testimony is often necessary to explain how the accused product or process meets the patent claims. It is also essential to provide evidence of marking or notice to recover damages. If the product is not properly marked as patented, or the infringer was unaware of the patent, damages may be limited. For challenges to patent validity, evidence may consist of prior art references and expert analysis regarding obviousness or novelty. In trademark litigation, the plaintiff must prove ownership of a valid trademark. They also need to show that the defendant's use of a similar mark is likely to confuse consumers. Important evidence includes proof of trademark registration or established common law rights. Evidence of actual confusion or likelihood of confusion is critical. This can come in the form of consumer surveys, expert testimony, or instances of mistaken purchasing. Demonstrating that the mark is distinctive and not functional is also necessary. Courts have ruled that features covered by expired utility patents are presumed functional and thus ineligible for trademark protection. Furthermore, evidence showing the defendant's intent to cause confusion or bad faith can strengthen a trademark infringement claim. Overall, successful intellectual property litigation requires a blend of documentary evidence, expert opinions, and factual proof tailored to the specifics of the patent or trademark rights involved. Courts take into account legal precedents, such as the strong presumption of functionality when features are claimed in expired patents, which can prevent trademark protection. Understanding these requirements is essential for anyone involved in intellectual property litigation today.